I have the opportunity to take home the keys to Frosty. It's my 2018 Ford F250 Limited. Sitting pretty on a 14-inch Elevate coilover lift with leaf springs in the rear. 28x16 Liberty Forged wheels, wrapped in 38 1650 Fury tires. Got a beautiful 2020 front end, color match headlights and tail lights, big ass cowl hood. Inside's got a fully loaded limited leather interior with massage seats, iPad dash, 600-piece Starlight headliner kit thanks to FCK light bar, custom sub box underneath the rear seats, Rocklights, train horns, and so much more. Not only do you get the title and the keys to the truck, but you also get $10,000 in cash to do whatever you want with. All you have to do to get entered is click the link above or in the description below today. Super simple. And for a limited time, take advantage of our times 4 entry multiplier. That means $25 normally gets you 10 entries. You're going to be getting 40. So take advantage of that sale and get entered today. And who knows, on April 20th, I might be giving you a call, turning you come pick up your new truck and your cash. Well, that's everybody. Enjoy the rest of the video.